Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 severe weather outlook. We have a very dangerous day for severe weather expected today. We have a very dangerous day ahead, so let's get right to it. So, areas in the red are in a moderate risk for severe weather today. Alright, areas in the red are in a moderate risk for severe weather today, which covers central and northeastern Kansas, southeastern Nebraska, and extreme northwestern Missouri, alright, for the moderate risk for severe weather today, alright? Areas in the orange are an enhanced risk for severe weather today, alright? Areas in the orange are the enhanced risk area for today. Areas in the yellow are in a slight risk for severe weather today, alright? The yellow is a slight risk, and you'll notice there are two dark green areas for today. Alright, the dark green areas are where we have the marginals. Alright, the dark green areas are the marginals. Cities in today's moderate risk include Wichita, Kansas, Topeka, Kansas, Salina, Kansas, Manhattan, Kansas, and Hutchinson, Kansas. Cities in today's enhanced include Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Des Moines, Iowa, and Overland Park, Kansas. And cities in today's slight include Chicago, Illinois, Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. And cities in today's marginals include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Cleveland, Ohio, Arlington, Texas, and Buffalo, New York. Going to today's tornado threat. Areas in the red are in a 15% tornado risk area for today. Alright? Areas in the red are in a 15% tornado risk area for today. And that covers central and northeastern Kansas, southeastern Nebraska, far northwestern Missouri, and far southwestern Iowa. Alright? Areas in the yellow are in a 10% tornado risk area for today. Alright, the yellow is the 10%. The brown is the 5% tornado risk area for today. And the dark green is a 2% tornado risk. Alright? Cities in the 15% tornado risk area today include Wichita, Kansas, Topeka, Kansas, Salina, Kansas, Manhattan, Kansas, and Hutchinson, Kansas. The 10% tornado risk area today includes Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Nebraska, Des Moines, Iowa, Overland Park, Kansas, and Kansas City, Kansas. The 5% tornado risk area today includes Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Lincoln, Nebraska, Springfield, Missouri, Cedar Rapids, Iowa, and Independence, Missouri. And the 2% tornado risk today includes Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, Tulsa, Oklahoma, St. Louis, Missouri, and Fort Wayne, Indiana. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 of 3 on the Tornado Intensity Index, alright? The black dashed area is the highest potential for tornadoes of EF1 or stronger, alright? The black dashed area is the highest potential for tornadoes reaching or exceeding EF1, alright? And there's a solid line area here. Alright? The solid line area is where we have the highest potential for intense or violent tornadoes of reaching or exceeding EF3, alright? The solid line area is the highest potential for tornadoes reaching or exceeding EF3, alright? Which is very intense and destructive, alright? Cities in the solid line area today include Wichita, Kansas, Topeka, Kansas, Salina, Kansas, Manhattan, Kansas, and Hutchinson, Kansas. And the black dashed area today includes Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Nebraska, Wichita, Kansas, Lincoln, Nebraska, and Des Moines, Iowa. Now for the wind threat for today, areas in the red are in a 30% chance of damage to wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. Alright? Areas in the red are in a 30% wind risk area for today. Alright? If you look at the yellow, areas in the yellow are in a 15% chance of damage to wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. Alright, the yellow is the 15% wind risk area for today, and there are two really? Alright, come on. All right, the brown areas are a 5% wind risk areas for today. All right, the brown areas are the 5% wind risk areas for today. All right, cities in the 30% wind risk area today include Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Nebraska, Wichita, Wichita, Kansas, Lincoln, Nebraska, and Des Moines, Iowa. The 15% wind risk area today includes Chicago, Illinois, Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. And the 5% wind risk areas today include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Cleveland, Ohio, Arlington, Texas, and Buffalo, New York. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 of 3 on the wind intensity index. All right, the black dashed area is the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts of 74 miles per hour higher from thunderstorms today. All right, the black dashed area is the highest potential for hurricane force gusts of 74 miles per hour higher from thunderstorms today. All right, cities in the black dashed area today include Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Nebraska, Wichita, Kansas, Lincoln, Nebraska, and Des Moines, Iowa. And now for the hail threat, there's a pink area here. The pink area is a 45% hail risk, all right? The pink is the 45% hail risk, which covers central and northeastern Kansas and southeastern Nebraska, all right? There's a red area here. The red area is a 30% hail risk, all right? The red is a 30% hail risk. The yellow is the 15% hail risk, and the brown is the 5% hail risk, all right? Cities in the 45% hail risk area today include Wichita, Kansas, Topeka, Kansas, Salina, Kansas, Manhattan, Kansas, and Hutchinson, Kansas. The 30% hail risk today includes Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Lawrence, Kansas, St. Joseph, Missouri, and Castle Bluffs, Iowa. The 15% hail risk today includes Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, Des Moines, Iowa, Overland Park, Kansas, and Kansas City, Kansas. And the 5% includes Chicago, Illinois, Dallas, Texas, Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, and Fort Worth, Texas. There is the black dashed area. The black dashed area is the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. All right, the black dash is the highest potential for 2-inch hail or larger, and the solid line area is the highest potential for giant hail 3.5 inches in diameter or larger. All right, in the solid line. The solid line area today includes Omaha, Nebraska, Wichita, Kansas, Lincoln, Nebraska, Topeka, Kansas, and St. Joseph, Missouri. And the black dash today includes Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Nebraska, Wichita, Kansas, and Lincoln, Nebraska. So, in summary, numerous severe thunderstorms are expected this afternoon and evening across the south central plains and mid-Missouri Valley. Supercells capable of producing very large to giant hail and multiple strong to intense tornadoes are most likely from central Kansas and southeast Nebraska into Iowa and northwest Missouri. So, that's your day 1 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas today. Stay safe in the affected areas today, no matter what risk you're in. All right, stay safe today, no matter what risk you're in. All right, have a plan in place for severe weather and remain vigilant. And I'm praying for everyone. Hope for the best and prepare for the worst. All right, hope for the best and prepare for the worst. Stay safe today. No matter what risk you're in, and I will have my day 2 severe weather outlook this afternoon.